fellow Funko collectors. Welcome back to the channel. This is the Toy Champ here. And for all those who have been subscribing to my channel, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. We've been doing a few shows, but today we have mail. This one is from Funko. Been waiting for these guys for a couple of weeks now. They're finally out. I'm sure you guys are excited too. Let's see what it is. All right, here we go. So we got Mr. America with the mask, Hulk Hogan. Then we have another Razor Ramon. I like the jacket on this one. Pretty good. And then our very own from New York, Zelina Vega with her Puerto Rican flag. For some reason I thought that Dominic Mysterio would have been in this package. I guess not. We're still waiting on that one to be arrived. And Seth Rollins, the new Lex Luger. But this what came today, guys. Mr. America, Razor Ramon, Zelina Vega. Hopefully Funko will see the need to do some more of the newer superstars like LA Knight. Or maybe a Jey Uso by himself. That'll be awesome. Anyway, this is all for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Keep on watching my videos. Leave comments so we can continue to build the channel. Also check me out on Instagram. We're doing pop-up shows now and again. So once again, thank you guys. See you in the next video.